The fundamental business model. Now, what we have here is the fundamental business model, or a diagram that will show to us how a business works. We will dissect each and every arrows and boxes here. So first, we have here, you can see number 1. This is the first step. The business owner, the business owner, also known as the investor, provide the capital for the business. It means this investor or this business owner puts money in the business, and we call that one his capital. Now, normally it is in the form of cash. Now, that cash investment will be held in a bank. So the money that is put into the business will be kept in the bank as a separate bank account for the business, separate from the owner's personal account. Now, since the business already have cash that the business can use for its operation, the cash in the business may now be converted into another type of asset that can be used or sold by the business. So, the company will use this cash to buy operating assets that will be helpful in business operations, or other assets that can be used to sell your products, or an asset that is actually the one that we will sell. It can either be what we call inventories, or maybe just to be used for our rendering service. So we buy another type of asset using the cash. Another way to convert your cash is to convert it by spending your cash on operating costs, or what we call expenses, such as paying for salaries, sweldo, rentals, and utilities like light, water, and telephone costs. So we use cash to acquire assets or to pay for different costs or expenses. Now, the cash that we have is already converted to different assets and for other costs used to render service. Now, these assets we use to provide services or to help us sell our products. We pay for expenses or different costs to help us provide services or to help us sell our products. Now, the combination of business resources, which is other operating assets aside from cash, provides the basis for producing products or services. Now, what we have provided is actually called sale of product or sale of services. So the sale of product or service generates an asset called receivable. So that is another operating asset. Receivable from the root word receive, and with a suffix able meaning future. You have to receive the payment in the future. So it is still an asset. Okay? So that is generated from the sale of our product or services. Now that receivable may be converted into cash again in the future once these receivables are collected. Now, after collecting money from our receivables, we can use that cash inflow from collections to pay debts with interest under loans. Like if we owe money from the bank, then we pay our debts. And then we can also use that cash to return some to the owner. Okay, so the business owner may withdraw money from the bank that he can enjoy and use for personal consumption. Or the money can also be used, or the rest of the cash can be sent back to the cycle from stage 2 and so on. The cycle goes on. Okay, do a personal quick check whether you have fully understood the fundamental business model. Discuss this diagram with your friend.